Hey guys, Alexandra here, also known as the Not So Evil Stepmother, and today we are going to be unboxing a new subscription box service called the Whole Sha Bang Box. Now, I say new, but technically this isn't brand new. This is not the first month that this came out. It's actually been out for a few months already. I have actually been watching this box very closely because it's been featuring some pretty amazing products from Buxom to Ofra, Victoria's Secret, that kind of thing. So I'm really interested to see what is in this month's box. Now, I did reach out to the owner and asked them if they would mind sending me one free for a review, and she happily did so. So I did not pay for this box, but it is regularly priced at $36 a month. The description that they have on Cratejoy is it features designer, beauty, skincare, and lip care and lifestyle products. And again, it's $36 a month. Now, they didn't have a website up, but they do now. So I will link all of that and all the information down below for you guys if you want all of that. And let's get on into this thing. All right, I had to go get my handy dandy scissors here to open this up. And I will show you guys, whoa, oh my gosh. There is a number 2 on here, right here. So I'm guessing there is like 2 different versions. So there's a number 1 and a number 2. So I'm guessing I got box number 2. And I'm sorry, you guys, I have like still the pregnancy fog. You know that little fog that gets in your brain when you're pregnant? That hasn't lifted yet at all. So, and if you guys are looking at my eyebrows, like they look a little darker, they look a little different. I got my eyebrows waxed today and I'm trying on a new pomade in Auburn. So let me know what you think. Is it too dark? I kind of like them, but I don't know. I haven't made a decision yet on how I feel about them. You guys let me know what you think. So when you open up the box, everything is all wrapped up in what looks like tissue paper here. So the first item I'm pulling out here is by Crown Cosmetics, and it is a blend and bake your face, your look. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Blend your face and bake your look. I told you guys the fog has definitely not lifted. So as you guys can see right there, it is a silicone makeup blender and a latex-free sponge. Now on the back here, there's like a little yellow sticker and it says $16.99 and it's covering the UPC. Now I'm guessing because I don't see a card in here, so I'm guessing that's how she's telling you what the prices of the products are. I don't really know how I feel about that. I do like knowing, obviously, the prices of the products inside. That's good. But I don't know how I feel about the little handwritten stickers. Now, it is kind of, I guess, makes sense, you know, to cover the UPC. That way the person doesn't try to resell the products out, but yeah, I don't know how I feel about that little yellow sticker. But anyways, these are really, really nice and I really do like them and I would open them and take them out. However, as most of you guys may know, here in Dayton, Ohio, and actually even last night in another part of Ohio, we have had a lot of tornadoes in the last week, and a lot of Beaver Creek and Dayton was just destroyed by tornadoes. Me and my family were not affected, luckily, thank goodness. We are okay, but there were a lot of other homes that were just completely, literally, there was nothing left except for a foundation. So because I received this box for free, I am going to donate all of the items in this box and any other boxes that I receive free this month for review. I'm going to donate all the items to the tornado relief cause. Me and a friend of mine are going to take a whole bunch of products up there, and plus I have a whole bunch of other stuff that I haven't used that I am going to donate to that, and those people that need, you know, help. I kind of feel bad. I've been through a tornado myself. I know how bad it sucks and how devastating it is to lose everything that you own and have to start over. So I'm definitely gonna do my part to give back and help those people out. So this is, you know, it's something small, it's nothing huge, but it's my way of being able to do something. So that is where these products are going to go. So I'm not going to open them up. I know normally we do a try on, but that's why we're not, okay? I'm just letting you guys know, so don't shoot me, okay? All right, so the next item in here is also by Crown Cosmetics, and it is a Travel Trios. Let's see if I can open this up without opening it. show you guys what it looks right there. And it looks like an eyeshadow palette here. Oh, I don't want to tear the box up. There we go. Okay, so it's all nicely wrapped up there. And again, this is by Crown Cosmetics, and it's man, you could do a really cute red, white, and blue look with this. So that's kind of cute. And there's, again, another little yellow sticker on the back of here, again, over the UPC, and it says $8.99. So I am going to, after I get done filming this, just double check some of these prices and see what I can find out. Now I am seeing a little brush right here. It doesn't have a brand on there. I'm guessing it goes with this. So this is from Pure Cosmetics, and it says Sculpt on it. And again, it's got the little sticker on the back that says $6.99. Now I am gonna remove this from this packaging so we can look at it here. How do you open this? Oh, wow, that's cute. Ooh, that's pretty. So there is a little sticker over the mirror here, and well, it looks like a little slide thing that goes over the mirror. Oh, there's a sticker and a little protector sheet here that goes over, and as you guys can see, it's very pretty. There's like a highlighter and what looks like maybe a bronzer, and then I don't know if that's maybe a lighter bronzer or contour powder kind of thing. You guys see that? So that's pretty cool. So I'm guessing the brush goes with that. The next thing here I'm seeing is by Advanced Clinicals for salon professionals, and this is a Firm and Hydrate Argan Oil Body Oil for tummies, thighs, body, and nails. It features 98% pure plant oils. So I'll show you guys that right there. I'm kind of tilting it to the side so my light doesn't blind you guys and reflect off of it there. Fast absorbing indulgent body oil formulated with 98% pure plant oils to help skin feel supple, radiant, and firm. I know, I'm a kid. I shouldn't laugh at words like that, but I do. It's terrible. So this has a price on the bottom of it. And now this one's not covering the UPC because the UPC is back here. So I'm guessing now that she's just putting the prices on here so that you know what the prices are. And this says $14.99. This is by Clinique. And I'm not seeing... I'm blind. Rose water pop. 12 rose water pop. Oh my god, I could see it. And this says it retails for $20. And again, it's by Clinique, and it looks like a lip gloss. Again, I don't want to open it or swatch it because I'm going to give all of this stuff to the tornado relief. Okay, so I'm going to open this because it looks like there's like a packaging kind of around it. So, oh gosh, I hate to do that, but I mean, it'll still be new so we can see it. So this looks like a little clutch here. I'll show you guys that right there. And so this has a price of $20, and that one is over the little UPC there. So that's kind of cute. I don't really go out enough to use something like this. So again, I'm glad that I'm going to be able to donate this stuff to somebody that will be able to use it and somebody that needs it. And the last thing we have here is by Victoria's Secret. And this is something that I see in her box every month. So this is kind of nice because I myself own Victoria's Secret sprays, and I know they definitely get pricey. So this one right here says it retails for $18, but it looks like it's covering the actual like price tag thing that's underneath, because they normally put that little price tag thingy, and that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna see if I can peel that off. But this is called Sequin Nights, and let's see. Oh gosh, that kind of smells good. It does smell good. Well, somebody's gonna get some really good smelling stuff. It's kind of a shame. I like the way that smells. It says this is a sparkling pomegranate, sultry woods, and party queen. Show you guys that right there. This is a really pretty bottle. I love Victoria's Secret sprays. One of my favorite, all-time favorite perfumes and sprays is by Victoria's Secret. And sorry to say they quit making it. So I'm kind of sad about that. So if you know, ever get a chance though, definitely try out Victoria's Secret stuff. So let's just do a really quick recap, and I want to grab a calculator real fast. Hold on one second. So I just ended up going to get my phone because how sad is it that I could not find a calculator anywhere in my household? Like everybody's like, just use your phone, just use your phone. All right, so let's do a quick recap of everything in this box and the prices. So this small Clinique lipstick, which just kind of reminds me of like a sample size Clinique lipstick. I don't know. So I'm gonna look this up, but this says it retails for $20. And then we have the Pure Brush and Sculpt palette here, and it says this retails for $6. And then we have the crown here, and it says this retails for $8.99. Then we have the Victoria's Secret, and it says it retails for $18, which that sounds about right, but it's been a while since I've been up to Victoria's Secret and bought anything. So, and then this is also from Crown, and is the blend your face and bake your look. I do not know why I cannot get that right for some odd reason. And this says it retails for $16.99. And then we have the little clutch here, and what did that say? That retailed for $20. So this total box value is $89.98. Yes, that's an Eevee. If you Pokemon, you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, oh, I almost forgot. I'm sorry, my bad. We forgot an item. This one right here, and it's by Advanced Clinicals, and this one was $14.99. My bad. So total was $140. Jesus Christ, Alex, get it together. $104.97. Okay, so out of everything, now if these prices are correct, absolutely this box is worth it. You're definitely getting more than what you're paying for if you pay $36 and your total is $104.97. You're definitely getting your money's worth. I really liked the Victoria's Secret spray. Again, I don't get to keep it though because I am donating all of these items. I kind of really like this too. This seems very interesting to me, and I would definitely want to try something like that out. So that's kind of nice. I've never used anything from Advanced Clinicals, and it says it's for salon professionals, so anything for a salon professional is all about for me, you know what I'm saying? And I've used Crown stuff. I've never used one of these silicone makeup blenders before, so I've always been curious to try one of those out. I guess not today though, but that was kind of cool. Now the Crown palette here I think is really cool for like a June box because of the kind of red, white, and blue theme, you know, but this isn't something that I would normally wear. Now I think it would be really cool to come up with like a little red, white, and blue kind of look with it, but it wouldn't be something I would normally reach for, so I don't really know how I feel about that. Now the Pure Sculpt palette, you guys know how I feel about Pure Cosmetics and their highlighters and sculpting palettes. I know some people like them. Me personally, I am not a fan, but that's just really a preference opinion myself, so this wouldn't be something that I would normally use. And then Clinique, I love Clinique, you guys know that, but I don't know how I feel about this being $20 because this just kind of reminds me of something that is like one of their sample sizes, you know what I'm saying? Like something you would get in like the regular Ipsy or even like a Sephora box. So I'm gonna have to look this up, and I'll let you guys know down below what I find out. Overall though, this was definitely a different box. I am very interested to see what they do in future boxes. Like I said, this was a company that I did reach out to because I was very excited to get this, and I have been very excited to see what's in each box because they've had some great, amazing boxes. Like I said, they've had some Buxom, they've had Ofra, so I am really curious to see where this box goes. And like I said, they do finally have their website up and running now, so again, I'm curious to see where this goes. So let me down below, what do you think? Do you think this box is worth it? Are these items something that you would use? Are you thinking about signing up for it? Or have you signed up and tried this box already yourself? Let me know down below. If you haven't had a chance yet, make sure that you enter our ColourPop Blue Moon palette giveaway, which I will put that right here. And I will also put our makeup dupes video right here for you guys. That was a really, really fun video that we did, and I do have another video coming for you guys tomorrow that is going to be just fabulous, and it's all about palettes and whether we should purchase it or pass it. So I'm kind of excited about that, and I also have a really big controversial kind of video for you, a little tea not being spilled, it's being thrown, okay, about a couple sub boxes that are just like throwing down the gauntlets on each other, and it's just crazy, you guys. So I've got all of that and so much more coming for you guys, so I hope you don't miss out on it. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification. I love you guys so, so very much, and yeah, that's all I have for you today. So bye.